Tired of searching for your cell phone at home to find a contact? Save time by transferring your cell phone directories to the VTech DS6421 Connect to Cell Cordless Home Phone. It's quick and easy. To begin, you must pair your VTech phone system with a Bluetooth wireless technology-enabled cell phone. For a complete list of compatible cell phones, see the link listed below. On the idle screen, press Menu on the handset. Scroll down until Bluetooth is highlighted and then press Select. Then select Add Device. Finally, select Add Cellular. Disconnect any devices connected to your cell phone and then press Next. Place your cell phone next to the base and press Next on the handset. On your cell phone, click on the VTech DS6421. The two phones will automatically pair and connect. If a prompt appears on your cell phone screen during pairing, enter the PIN, 4 zeros, and press Next. If the connection is successful, a blue indicator light appears on the base. On the idle screen, press Menu on the handset. Select Bluetooth and then select Download Directory. Highlight the directory you want to download from your cell phone and then press Select. When the downloading process is complete, you will hear a confirmation tone and the handset will display how many entries were saved. Did you know that you can transfer up to 4 cell phone directories and 6,000 contacts to the VTech DS6421 cordless phone? Check out VTech's complete line of Connect to Cell cordless phone systems by visiting the company's website.